Could an 8-inch screen replace your speaker, photo frame, and smart home hub, all before your coffee's done? Smart homes often mean a pile of gadgets. One for music, one for lights, another for video calls. Amazon's newest Echo Show 8 promises to unite them in a single countertop command center. Adaptive content spots when you're nearby, enlarging widgets for calendar, weather, or reminders, then shrinks back when you walk away. Glanceable info without poking a phone. Dual speakers and room acoustic sensing crank out surprisingly wide stereo. Spatial audio keeps podcasts centered and movies immersive. Even if you move around the kitchen, you can pair up with all your smart home bulbs, locks, or sensors from all the brands. No extra bridge required. Voice trigger or tap routines right on the screen and ditch the app hopping. The center cam tracks you as you cook, keeping you in frame on Zoom or Alexa calls. Activate live view to check pets while you're out. A physical shutter, mic mute button, and on-device processing guard your data. When idle, it becomes a vibrant photo frame with adaptive color that matches your room's lighting. Is this the one screen to rule your smart home or just another voice box? Tell us below and hit subscribe for next week's Smart Pick review.